J Ghana TV so nie me ma wakwa baba ye dwumadi so bia obia me de chia sonko every J Ghana ene Ghana ha ebrel me sell bomode na subscribe ba ye channel ye so sesia se utie mi a na ensema ewo ho no ena me pese ye nyina ye kona ye kohwe bi ne ye famu aba ye hwe na say Tracy Boache ene Mesbel nyumtuni Mesbel ena actress Tracy Boache ensensema ekoso ntokwa abeto mo ntem a aye dendenden ena nipa bebre eba en out ebe kan bi ombe cheche say omunyai de omoye no ama Tracy nsoso I don't know say why U10 na some na okan no so wanu ne hu say nsoso kofo bashing nti ena ama onso san ba be retracting na some dia we don't even know but when na actress Nana Brown ono nsoso e call ni Facebook e call ye live na tutu bi mane wo na sa video na mpese ye nyina ye kono ye kohwe bi na enye omo nko ana ode oka bibi kire wo oka bibi so kire eye Cindy Cash se on hwe ne hu yie won nkese ode ma Cindy na video no mpese me kire mu ye nyina ye nko video no emra sisi ya
mean waste obi biara time mama ye twetwe enkomo bi video bi twegu social media na nkofo bebre na aka wonsem enkrofo edi hu nkomo bebre na asem omo kan se na wonte de ekoso mesi mate de ekoso nyina mehu de ekoso nyina na me pese me kan asem bi kakra na mahwefo madofo moma ye de nsem bi etu ye hofo so sometimes obi ba abonten na se o kan nsem bi a aya mama yensusu na yenjeji nipa no yeah mama yensusu njeji nipa no because ebia eye wa enka obeye more than that ebia say ye wa enka level abekono kenye binu no ye wa na ehu say ababa we bi efe ni Tracy Boache abe video abe di Mesbel atem ne di odi ni pa na ensema wo kekaye no na airtime na abofo no in fact me yoba wa wo hwe me nso o yoba even be makrampo enye na kono na oba besia wone o sister penin enya asem na wutumi tina bonten asem no kra Mesbel ko kaye no me hwe bi na me hu ene mistake bia bibi gidigidi bi o kaye ayesa futuo na na ode ma Tracy Boache but Tracy babonten no in fact woje ne ho mena o kasaye na baba we ye fe ni Tracy say eya na ye ne say Ghana one thing about Ghana is say wo ya de na nkofo hwew ni ye ma fans ni ye hwewa men feel say all is well men feel that say all is well with you obi aje watum wo be kasa wo be dwa wanum be ke kansem na nkofo boje oso a omom gu akire na omom kasa ye no unim de ekoso behind the scenes Tracy atsena Ghana ha kromu ha social media edwene hu bebre impenifo bebre na Tracy beto womo nipa bebre na Tracy ba beto womo na so Tracy kasa ayese sebe yeah I don't know one when Tracy wasembaye 7 level 1 Ghana for the word ejina Tracy 1 level la Ghana for ediwe jina Tracy Boache the whole Ghana abroche obia is talking about you obia basho adentia wakasa che wadu nwa che wadwa wanu ma che wajine nwa che kasa no eye mo And I'm 29 years. And I'm a wadan me and sa. And I'm a kasi me this say I'm a thought that hey sister Encrophone show actresses in penny for medical almost show nipa steady and hard working na Tracy Susu Ampampo say who 29 years dear brana wo boy here to me to talk dine a dine to easy dear brana wo boy here to me to talk dine to talk cast would do seriously many has a me condemn but some can't some Tracy watch it. And I would define say China walk kasa and I admire you and you are my this you are my that and I walk kasa and what you and straight ones what you and so obi biara ba show just as I buy a young of a bredo me catch your plane what's a me buying Jia what you and so na ye nipa be bread. Once again, I was some Maya, also be a dog. Nya some shit. We know him, my Jackie. Many hasn't been defend you, but we know him, my Jackie. She can't do him, my Jackie fast. Shen Guasia Bugay and Masse. Tune send me goon from him. So, where do you be a young bonny? Wa we no munsem e na yi amount na twese afa ya wo pacho no o pacho se gana afonye ode why expose you awie why expose you big time why expose you because beginning you know we say hard work now at the age of 29 I working I work hard working me ye hard work na wo kan wasem no seni produce ye na ye produce bi bibia ye nyina ye bi ye hard work na Tracy wo kan no ene de wa ba bonti na obechem sa wa ya se na wo de hard work na nyame aboa na wo de wa ya se edi aboa emma wenya ni patitru bi mo boa wa we cry the wa ye ho won wasema de bia metina bonte ameka obi tia na ne buofu na ahye no na enahi na ye ne tan wi ase wo wishi obi wela ene nyankopo nhira wo me medika aka kire Ghana fo ma se era ne ye wo mu no aware ho ye din o aware enwo den enu nti no se wo nya obi na so wo sika so wo ni sika wo hwe na ni da ho na ni da fom or ye forceful to me or ye hard working na no so be warewa forget this and my way mu forget this and my way mu ni omanum da no mo titi Facebook and Instagram you jo omanum ju omu no forget your mu na ye mu bi de ye ni mo pa se this no can entisa who sure and phobia ba go Tracy Buachi am na catch you say my only chick my only dear man my dear his only chick intino or en phobia be hia wa be warewa wo hwa wo peka kese adem e bia na 25 years wo 30 years wo po bia ma na to fia ma say Tracy Buachi intino wo be tutu ni panati wo man attention po na wa worry abo won bro mo bre won obi kote sorry o sebe wo bi kote ena omo kun yo obi kote na omo kun yo obi kunu na me nana nyame e madom na mikita me handsome man me begina social media na me kama asem na me ka handsome man na obi kokwa pai wa obi kunu kra ajenjin amara we mu jinjin wo obi kunu papa no cry can hear no mu be ahe ne mpena for the uncountable. Sweet Helena was what to say. So obi kuno just send your mo snitch in your mo abawe betina social media no kasa and I'm me to me can no and I'm me feel wise like and then Uma obia sebe omobra. I mean, I shouldn't even use that word. Obia abrabomu niame bi enkoye when abrabom of feel so stupid. Say rather me dey me saying. I don't know me dey say. Abawe bi so kra hwe wa no so afi no start abrabo a. No woman ni niam han no ho. Or person level ne class ni bi akọ. Which is very bad. A very bad Tracy Boache. This Obiama na no so Tracy Boache. Obiama na no so Tracy Boache. Obiama na no so what jiweni so do. So what jiweni so. What kasa jiweni so. Yabe kan se nkrofo kasa oba da pay. Because mpeni mfo na abetu omon kasa. What must say? Omun kasa. Obi akukura wa bone bre wie nya sika ma na ebu ne so ta. O poni nkakra mamu. Wo poni nkakra mamu. Ana wa bo aboso. Eje ne denden ni obi kuku. Shana da pe di na tem de ne ba mu nyine di na tem. Sister na me bisa wasemo wo tsina wono wo hote pa won wo no hote se wo di obi atem sa abrabo nya bona nka wo to 29 wa wo two different fathers easy wa wo mi no with different fathers wa won wa me ga na maka mo se enne obebia paware wo baby power ebia na emaye but obi nso life ye beating no gina wan say oh maybe I don't want to get married me nyo obi amene no be wo then life goes on oboa de bia me kasa asem we oboa be mani bi no nya na ware ni bi no nya no wo say age beating no inte wo so ni obi wo wan na power Muji mu na fi mema ni mebie mo se me kra me mmare me wo ana me timbe me pension so hwe because mo dwumu hu ti be mebie anso nya ready so be fam what am I say me na me ti we metna bonti because me cherish me marriage me enye easy ti me to na me hwa me kunu na me de ma ware wa mo bitu anu we je say me hu ye ne hiama last year video bi ababa we bi and obe twa ma da pa nya me nkwa na ma ware na ma soma sister ma soma so obi kunu ni o obi kunu Anna Tracy waka say his only chick can say his only wife inka wo can say his only wife na ya kondo na ye fe his only chick na his only chick wo kasado do wakasa ma those called a celeb for crowd within bola bed still won sa na yen kan se mo wutan yi o kwadura na wayi ni America Miss Bell Tracy say ya the Miss Bell gina on e du gina wa see e be ka se wu kwa yi wa chiri ba mienu ne Miss Bell and as our age 29 na wo kan me metu fu se be ya jai kan ko Ghana phone yin ni wu gina wa won say 29 Tracy won say 29 I'm telling you no cry e ba akopɛ na ne kan so e ja no cry about couple and it can swear ya me no crentina nipa bebre mpem I don't care the fact I know I'm always saying the truth and I will always stand for the truth, you know. And family many hasn't been defending Miss Bell but no cry about couple girl na show maturity we show maturity, we show say neniate, and the point of the Tracy fast no a best answer for a fool. Cause Tracy Kofa. Yeah, the want to toot Miss Bella. And you were fair and your size. And you were fair, Miss Bell. I was stardom. And you were fair and I make crampono. So Miss Bell, ye be been any moon to Mamma. Come any problem. But Miss Bell can't. I said, when Minia said Miss Bell near fear and 17. Wo better, children, one more, Diona, 1 hour. Also, I do any show. Cause into one Miss Bell pon. Obi ehuniti ehunenai. You went too far. Or cause we jina with fear. Oh, someone him say, me nana brother me man no den or attack me on to me, tracing to me never. Me patcho me throw back why me yadie. When him say, tracing to me ni matem, I know there she can't do it. Oh, Debbie. Me a sister pension to me, Debbie. Never, and no cry the munyai. So, Miss Bell, and you are friend no. A bano, stardom moi, a bana brabo moi. Ain't you no, difference near big. Seriously. Me Miss Bell, I make what am I say? But Miss Bell, wait, what am I say? Emotion, until you don't do that. I fear she sends some mamma was a pay. Also, what dear fear I do any so. I fear she say, Beje, make it cancel, be dinner tem. Because at the man would dear Baba way, and I won't dear, and I won't more bra, into be the 40 years, sister, or ya brewa. Obi wo 40 years or ya brewa. Said udi 40 years na ya brewa the end madam. Metumi aka se bia wo 29 we do monopause. Cause wo can go 40 no. Say 29 na wo kan mpo say ye no kra. Say 29 na wo kan say ye no kra. 29 na wo kan. I'm on yes, how and I will check and cut to me cast such a young copa. Ya will be over to make a cast answer nature. Shall obey bet snub one thing. Now, oh, you so west be sa. Me, my can be at the do you know why? Or catch a Kennedy said, now no patch I said trim. Sour no you suma Kennedy, Honorable Kennedy, and I'm a reply. May my dear one a pine so. What am I say? Girl, no one make count trap. One make count say, one make count some bonnet. As some more kind say, what could you baby? I trap pictures a day now. We show off was a day. I foot to one kind. I watched the interview. Who did not tell back? Who did not tell me? Hey, once we are seeing why Mama Hama ex-president. A first lady, ex-first lady, Wababe Kasim. She said, Papa carrier, what the Mahama carrier, a diagro. Cause I think Monquas Moody, Obieka, and Mahama behind, na Mahama, na Beman, Mahama. President in one, na the president is Robert Snassi. None in Crank Rabbi Seymour, who don't want to chew on one, they'll be winning. And this is for Moon 2 president for. Moon 2 president, ex-president Mahama for. Because there are girls here, almost want to carry a 2020. Ayen simpi, ayen mguase. No, be any president mwa. Shem cross sama maba way o social media. Near the pay pictures, for it. It pay image. You didn't name. Sadi we see why. Adia we ebesi musi abeto musen. Ex-president. Na ni ding na mkwasi adia muye mu. Tracy woman ama nim papa ben na unim no. Okasa time obi a feel say Mahama because the one who big who carry on as if say what ayi mama penny bi na sesike bi ma who create who kasa behind the scenes who kasa who then maybe I come say yan for money enu so share yan for ma ye na ehu bibi kakra na ye ho pre so who skada to who skaki to e bia na kasa bebre obi a onim physical awe hu bibi da no on kasa industry you were big girls as sabe omu bath lamplight omu di kwate papa make kwate papa big men I am more money and my papa womb they don't talk omu nya my papa ombeye stars omu they don't talk and I me sit down and I me and I hey sister obi kasa obi eni de so ayem beso yen kasa sa I was saying come ma me fra untem no tufu no or stop you encrofo siriwo Tracy na woni mu awo wo be ye video encrof ye tinsam ye di nkomo back door ye kasa wo wow movie for ye di nkomo krofo siriwo pa krofo so uju ndodo obi e show hey me say what sema be obi e ne de from the industry to everywhere I'm telling you you be ade because what you when so and then na wo akuta na ebi nam Vivian Jill empoma no na wo kasa na ebi nam we just say odwen wa wonti asem na se munyi ex-president John Mahama e wo 2020 ye beto aba mo papa no nani onyam on fenjina no on to na ba se nyame be na drum wa wini a mo fa nani onyam to na ba mo papa no fa nani onyam enjina no face in election na mo nyam cross sem na mo di no fa papa nani mo metwitwi fom ye man pani mo fa nani na Mahama there is no obedate mo mienu mo bi da me kra me njin me ni ananya no kwanso o me date mu wo Trace odo ye dey wo ye friends me is odo ye dey me is put on the on can hwe Trace na was me kwanso on fa mo nye hwe mu yi papa di din film na ko ayi ne opponent for am fa what ma say enya fe time and I mean me we na me wa brochire and I me here there sister jai kasa why na I know say nya wa fam yu firi mu fia wo be jai kasa sa wo tinyansa se ma sunsun be ka kire wo so wo nyansa se ma nkrofo ka kire wo media coming kwa ga Tracy come out and apologize to Miss Bell e ho na Ghana for do bone be chew come out because me na and I will use so filthy words Eddie man me by now or try pacha I'm telling you come out now be apologize to Miss Bell and I drink and a drink and a dien and I sister na stage na ono o jina ho na Trace wo jina ho what are you saying me say what time kodra no wa yi ni mrika ayetia wa me onye madam for but no credit me abebia no credit na me no credit ayetia wa ewi ase wo dadan papa ma obewu wana dan papa ma obewu wunye sika obewu wenye sika obewu wo da Land Cruiser ma so air condition obi fo trotro mu nyina amkwa amudu ye jeden ye nyina ye du mama obi asabi wenye bi emfile se abrabọ no obe mu no nyame edi ni hwammo ewiase no oba ye no ono de onse won fata hwe eno obi tina Nyankopon bo ye no wa mansa ni nyina anyepe obi benye bi obi nye bi eno nkyere se eno ano no eno nkyere se wiase asaya ma eno nkyere se unyo obi ya wo de unka nipa no kasa dodo ana me fie kra ana hwe me fie ana na ye dan obi da single room air condition fan ne bom air condition nim ne mpafia odama ne hoto no wodidi mo Philip Trebien ne hoto ne yie obi so da fie kakra mu air condition ya so oda ho so fifre bi ye ti no no na Mary moja nam ni ya bo me de na aba amoja nam aba asi hu de ka Mary my mind na ma dream ho enti no sa wo daka papem o kwa be kwa kodu obi futro tra obekwa kodu wo dadan papem na wo ko ye friend say wo de wo na wo dan wo wa hian wo trouser ko seden yo obi ti choko odamade chi no ne ho to no odidi oye okay sanity ma obi yare masa ankofo we mu nto pressure na de omo ke kan mpo be community sa eye kase huna sanya wuti bia fa ne sa de nyame wo mrema nipa da seni biara Onyankopon wo mrema nipa da seni bia wo mre sunya be kase nyame apa wo nyame mpa wo mamu tietie maba we mu ntare omko boutique o ma me nhwe fanye photo shoot na we gina na wa tro dress by makeup by ni nyina afu eye nyuma hyehyem kwa no mo de nam Ghana ha omo ade papa bie no omo ye mamu so so mo so e ma pressure me to mo so won obi nya aware enso mpena twe on na awo no won agengen ho ne kasa zeni pa we be jina no ke catch us say awa be dia aware dem me interested me dem baby daddy a wo na wo aware bia wo kun ni bi no wo te wa o si ene ma ware enyim ni mpanka ma ware se won onya waye o ma yefa Tracy ninsem entu ye nyina ye wofo na abrabon ye no do what pleases you enye obi de be ye obi fe wi ase ye we me na mi wu ameni obi nko be ba ma wo no ka me fa ne nko ni ku me fa ne nko wo kata wani a wo ka won se bu bu a un kai bibia biem you are alone, you came on your own, you are going even in tafompo bakudi kan ye chem bakoba ansa bakon edi echire inti no abrabon ye bon enhwe obi mfa ma obra de ye ma wo na hye hisi ade me asema me catch Tracy a me de ne nsem ni sini nyina ne se wadwa nanum bia wadwa bia yi yate yeda se na emu omra out na ome apologize to Miss Bell tiawa the best thing that Tracy between aye they say ombra bontin one me pa Miss Bell chew and some of catch Miss Bell enye fine na Miss Bell so nam ne kasem akese no say me wo 40 na me ya abrewadia and na say old age a curse na enye dia and the men who be asem kese on out on fa na ni wo ne nim ferry metna bontin na metna me na me fans me sorry we are sorry bra out na be catch Miss Ben sama o keka yi na we sorry na Ghana fo nyina nya sympathy ma wo no mo fan chew case die cause why am Ghana fo so you crossing it when inte Oma Ghana for ni omo na ewo mutimu nyina omo atumi ebiom anu akeka akire wo see why you useless before everybody also we go for bebre and follow o swasel nti na fitu aka mbema o say so be say wo sanya wani onyam biom a bo modern na brabo ntin abepa Miss Bell cho utum be pa ne chewe eye best and na Miss Bell so me too for kasa no so eye ye Ghana for kun to kwama me cheche hwimu biom se Niger gaze sam no won't be me ka wanu tum Say Nigel Gazing, say want me mouth. Nigel no, at the end, you are back, at the end, you now walk. Nigel want me coon, net, want me coon, snap. Bibi ya wa Ghana. Enti no, so you bibi no na masin of ye gu anim asia. Upaka, cancer at one two. Ya brain or ya me exposing there be. You interested, your sister. Ghana for Kawasa mama, won't talk on my head there. When you made the asana simple, shut up. Miss Bell, a year. Jai Kasa. Uye video remember na me shawade. Jai Kasa. Jai Chaso kra. Asama baba when di ye nyina ye hu sensem fun wedi. Ye hia so me poucho. Case die. Minim se maka no beti. Enti wo so men kasa bi. Dia wa ye na aye. Wo kasa bebra afi hu be ye. Se mesbe wo kasa bebra, wo hu be ye hi. Enti hwe e na wan kasa bi. Won so afutu amede mamwa no. Me last word, me some last amede ba. Me wi ana me ko because ade asan wo se ye nyina me mpa e bot time aso. Ne ye nyina ye da. Me ka asem bi a kire Ghana fo nyina. Na maka asem bi a kire nipa bi a wo hwe me. Me ne ababa we bi hia e wo social media on my channel. Na ababa wa no Ghana for ma menchire mu. Na me ne ye program. At no nya madam for. Sane na mu ye portray wa bonten na mu hu ne so ye madam for. E bia na mu nya we. Nti o se me chire mu nsem mu. Because me share comment bi. Na me share attempt ni messages bi a me nya wo me phone. Ono ad me number se man crofo bi mo send me messages. Na airtime. Kasan of one me akasane doso. Na sometimes no. What's now di kasa. O mani pasu hunia ekoso. Sindika sha na dwen se on me kasa. Na mo be hihase e ma nkrofo edi matem. E ma nkrofo akekansem. Obese me ni me kunu ma nkrofo. Obi sorry na is a bad person. She's not a good. When I am madam for Cindy was never my friend. Mini Cindy mama worry mun komoda. She should come out for some boy. Many nindi mi fear komoda. Cindy ba mi fear da. Min ko ni fear da. So which friend are you talking? Me, I don't have a friend. Me, my only friend is my husband. Obi onemi bia ye ma onim bia miki. I don't have a friend though. Me ni adamfo. Me wi asia me wono. Me nana madamfo pe eye me kunu. Nipa ba ko I can call her as a friend ye diamond apio no call ye me nua. Ye di agwa che me diamond di agwa 20 years ago. Ache way back. What must ye di agwa ni eswa? Ain't no better you don't know how to keep a friend. Now you are bad. Me. If you don't know me, don't criticize me. You don't know me. I don't talk oh. Ni inkwafo frame ya ye movie fue. Amako na wunim kasa say. E na ye mumbisa me honsem. Mumbisa me honsem e wo movie industry. Minim se mo bi munim ye hu nkrofo. Mumbisa ne enka me na amasem de. Sa me no bi nim me se me kasa mpo. No, I don't talk. And I may reserve. Many so shepa, but meaning the way me dimago. Many Cindy Diago make a chain say, Cindy. Yes, 3, but me the type who come as my member boom, me so me no serious. I want my channel, I told her. Cindy has never been my friend. Me, that's how I am. Me bani a program, me ko na away. Many Cindy ni Adam for fact, say me koni fie, many needing come ye ko baby. No. Me person me chamo say, Cindy nya madam for. There be, me ni madam for fa me pe. Ghana for muntie me yo. The reason why I Cindy no oh the okay can or best or say me amunim no. Me father for me kumpel. Obi enim. Ni boss na down for name me no me kire me father for that. Me nim ye because me no me mpem kwase asem me mpem una akoka say e na be you are no there be ti me mpe nipa me miss me when you are no ma bebre. Even my sisters, I don't tell them my secrets. I don't tell them what ebia me what problem be. No, it's only my husband is my everything. Time it's not about me, my husband, he's my everything. Me, I don't have any friend. He's my everything. Ain't no me forward down for. No. Because minimum command me no obedi, minimum sma me no beka. Enkrofo bi send me wanna abrochre ni bi. The reason I make us same way no. A man be friend me fi abrochre. And also who send my posted picture bi. Na nipa na me ni jana no no me hu se na nane nice man bi e wo picture bi man won fe pa o wan Cindy say oh na kunu onye adwuma o ye jobless fanboy no dey pay how woman fie da me no ndi ma ware mu nsam da me kun Cindy wa me kun 2 times pe two me won mine na ma check na me kun be farm koye ni meeting of friends me we na me see afi na me awie program na me kun be farm na ba ku bi nso ye ko hia wo papa wo su me mpa sorry wo hu me kun wa hi biom wo hu me kun wa hi biom na da enfa me no gina di me kun hu nkomo kira wa adwuma me kun ye ne nia honye wonni me kun sen me wo wa baba we bi so na ye ton tare wo no ho ye wo man no ono so afem antina na matin sembi me ya pa me si ados yes sisi na no ke kase wo kun kra so onye adwuma sesen sister sesen na me ma school fees una uchia ana me ku yesika so botom me ma school amoko fees o muchia Cindy and then so papa be friend me fi abrocho no so can the same thing na man no kwa de na wo Cindy won plan nti oni ne ye video call na se oncha na bra na man pe masem na ye di nkoma na man no o bi sasa na se oni di ende uni anhia na de ende na man na be follow me and wa be nya me number na man na frame na me di nkomo se say na e koso so me kwa ba kan bi a kire me Cindy me do nyame ana sim kra ba ko am ka me re ye fi ahunya me comment bi video bi ase omo bi be troye Nana doesn't have anything. His jobless and broke husband can't even afford a common picanto. Siasem no. Not just send some confirm me. And then some the messages they be bring. May catches in the cash say onim say enye me so. Na ema me hu say na me ne wo ho nyina me ye me kun ne ni brema wa be papa. Cause me no nante how long? 3 months. 3 months. 3 months pe. 3 months. Na me de be ye adwuma wo man. 3 months. Amro. Agro be na me ni udi ye. Me wie kokra ka na wie no wie ya na wo kwa den. Me wie me adwuma me ko. Me be the video away because me near that I do a lot of things. Me a business woman. Me near that at least a EBI is kasem mame. To me near that na se nipa ni baby sawa. Na wo ke kan say. Madam, you are asking me how do I know she sent someone? She told me. Mona yana mona moto train sem. Emani pakasa bebre. Sometimes. Ayana sometimes you quote sem. But mo kasa na mani papa so kasa bebre. Cindy ne me manager and maybe I'm a better way no phone call. She told me. Uni she. A commodore into a decra uni be she. Oh, a tea. Ukunya jumanams. Oh, so it's true. And a man can make come a component for pamichawa. Maybe a video in 10 warning. Cindy. Me ma last one, me ma one ne. Me a sure said 10 in yamo. Okay, you go 11. To watch na ye video na be magana phone na hu say. Asama wo kanu entisa. Asama me ku anu nyam na pesa odi twitwi form na entisa. Unim fia me kuno film. Unim adwuma me ku asanti ni be ma Santiago na Kofie champion. Oh, Radinyami. Sister, mami nkasawate. Brabonte sindi cash enye se we basi dia na chichira ma won. Ene won sem bia me ba bonte. Papa anya hwe kokram. Am ferry se be si wo hwene so a. Won ferry so dia sawa beta. Na me mfa won di obi beka. Because my din crofone me kasa me twitwa ne ma so. But the girl is still doing what she's doing. Why no she shase on kasa but on namase and a word chimi no. Meanwhile, you don't know me. Me unko me uni me me nya na nsia akofo begu social media poka me nim se wa wareda. Wo me you catch me say wo buy ba akopɛ. Na nsia na akofo aka me hu say wo ma ye mienu. Won sem nyina na nsia na me hu because me ni hu ni san komodie no wa be ka bi a kire me. Nti no ye enko deep. Ti say na wo say me kun na ne say. Sasan wona wo hwe me mama wo mo na ahwe mo e na wa be kasa asem we di atome so sister bra out me ma warning me ma wa touch na me na social media no so sa me social media no me da so me reso ba be video be say sorry sa asema be ka fa me kunu ho nkofo ke ka na ntisa sin da anya sa wetiti anya sa on so wonim ni put me create guni pa ho fia wonim se ne ye guni pa ho enim ase a so wonim se ne ye guni pa enim ase a na me cho so wo anim gu ase de ade ma na me be cho so wo anim gu ase de ade ma me kun onye jobless. My husband is a hard-working man. Oye na juma papa bi. I mean ni nyuma papa bi. Na me oba no ka menye lazy. No no abeye lazy. Sesen. Won wa santini be mo oye koshini da like on pe juma da. Won bi da. Asantini abrantie. Else me kon oye yin ni ba won. Uni mo bi afre na ko. Uni mi fia mi confirm. Cindy Brabonten. Na be patcho. San kwase ade me pese easy once and for all. Mempe krasesem. Mempe krasesem. Ena unyo obi a ese me ma attention. Unyo obi a. Unya me class, unya me level. I'm a baby who attention cry my but nya wo ye na me to warning. What am I say? Nya wo ye no and I made to warning. What am I say? Nya wo ye na made to warning. So some na wo come man call for sending and messages. Church on pass ya say mo me video ase no Cindy Cash. One worry and one move a worry and pound. One more worry. Mimi boa worry. One more worry. Men are not brown. Me boa worry. Me bumi kunu. Me value our arena meton. Una na kunu on your bia. Mimi kundi or your bipa. Me kun or your bipa. Tibi slow. Woni me nya asema. Kan me de na kan ya maye. Me fa me kun anu nya me twitwi fom. Eno de me ntwe mawo. En de me no be call all length. Sa me no ya de. Na se wonim. Na wo de me kun be frafrem. Me no be call level bia. Because to one wo mu aware. Obi aware wo kun ti abrocha otumi tina ni obi twemp na de. Wo mu aware. Me nana me bu aware. Inti me sraw. Hweni yie. Na brabo ntene beka se nsema ekoso nyina no. Wa nka ne yie. Enye sa. De be simi ni umienu ntem no. Ompe. Cause me enye madam fo no. Me ni woni nkomo bia, me ni woni hweka. A wo kyekere sa nsem no. E de abegu me kun ho fi no. Me sraw pa. Nana Equia Sewa, if she did not come out to apologize, oh, ye be sure ye be see. Sa semna will be sameno. If she did not come out to apologize, we shall see. So no ni men guasi gua. Kone ni guasi ya de mba e wo meme nchen. Ti so ni men guasi gua. Meme de na de obo. But ne de e bia na e no kore. She me man for me kwani meye for mo. That's the last thing I will ever do. Me man for me kwani onyamfo. Hey, what to me worry they would their two they bought totals. The two jackpots. Me value my worry papa. Me value hey. Me fa worry ni agro. Me kuni agro. Metna ho. No me kuni nya metwitwi fom. Madam. Ana ebi mo ku obi die ho no. For say easy. Obema no ye ne dia. Ka be hu die ke be si wo Ghana. De onye ne dia bo wan wa agyenengene ho. Ti me slow Cindy Cash. And try. Good night, my sister Monkoda. Me slow. You're very careful. Now what channel brabontin. Na bepe bibika. Anya sound from my phone so. Na catch him said diamati bia na mean seize fire. And yes have a bones mama. Anyways, aha and I me dimu besi. Medama se. Medamu nyina se ai. Ene nkomo monya adaje asemu data ama ya twetwe onyankopon eya adoma okay yeah had a couple let me know any good night any good evening any ebi mu so good morning ye be fa ne saa nyame ya adoma ochina ye be to aso ti wa onim Cindy Cash na we twelefo senensem setie ni na honsam nye de intino papa na ode na kwa aduro so age ne car no na yere hwehwe no amoma yen ka ye beto aso good night.
J Ghana TV suni say wahwe video no watimu ensem bi bia obi a share video no ema me na fa comment so ebra Tracy Boache ene Mesbel masumu a we na Brown ede ebrem san so na eye Cindy Cash wo so wasumu a na Brown won na ode ma wo enti no ye de ye na mo ye hwede ye bekwa kosie ye besi bia ye de bebre ya hwefo ne ye tiefo ye da mu nyina ase.